Hey beautiful people, today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Neewer 20-inch LED ring light. Now this kit, you can see that I'm super excited. Now this kit includes a one light stand, ball head adapter, NP-F550 Lion battery, USB battery charger, rotatable phone holder, DC power adapter, a remote, a carrying case for ring lights, and it also comes with two power supply methods, which is the battery F550/750/960. It also comes with a power adapter, which is 6 DC 12 to 15V. Now, have you ever wondered how most of these beauty photographs and videos that you've always seen are always lit? They are super lit and of high quality. Trust me. If you thought that the reason behind it is because you're using a very expensive type of camera, if you thought the reason is because they are using a very expensive camera, it's a lie. It's a big lie. It's the ring lights. I'm telling you, take that to the bank. Yes. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Please go ahead and leave where are you watching from? Leave a comment. I want to read from you guys. And to all my returning subscribers, man, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all your support. I see the likes, the love. I see how you share my video. Thank you all so much. We are building a great community, and I super appreciate you guys from the depth of my heart. God bless you. So if you're new here and you're listening to this gorgeous queen and you see this hyper hot chick, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I'm based here in California. I drop 3 videos in a week. I also drop some multiple videos sometimes as the spirit leads. You can also catch me live on YouTube, and you can also join my Facebook group. But yeah, let's just go right into today's topic. This ring light has changed the game for me. I am telling you. So let's go. Guys, I kid you not, this Neewer ring light is perfect for emphasizing details, photography, filming, makeup application, macro photography, or even generating color effects. I am not joking. You know, I've had ring lights before I bought this one. I checked the reviews online, but I was like, let me see. But another thing about me is I believe in expensive things, so please don't blame me. I beg. I don't like cheap stuffs. I'm telling you. So when I saw that it was, kind of on the high side, I'm like, okay, let me try it out and see if this is the real deal. But trust me, this is the real deal. So typically, a ring light is an easy to use multi-purpose lighting tool that enables users to obtain a source of uniform light that comes directly from the point of view of their cameras. When you slot in your camera or your phone. Now, if you notice, this ring light has a space for phone, like it has a phone case holder, and you can also use it for your camera as well. And this lighting device is usually made from a single circular fluorescent bulb or several connected small LED lights that form the shape of a circle. We have it, all 3. Let me see if I can put them together. Yeah, so we have these 2 and this one. Now, as you can see, it comes with a lot of tools. Yeah, and we will be unboxing everything right about now. So due to the design and structure, now these are actually perfect for emphasizing details on photographs and videos, and the ring light circular design allows users to use cameras in between the hole of the ring light, enabling them to focus on the details of the shoot, specific details of the shoot. Now, when we talk about macro photography, so using these ring lights when taking pictures produces perfectly balanced lighting that is evenly distributed on every side of the model or the objects that the users want to focus on. Now, ring lights allow users to generate high quality photos and videos without the burden of spending a lot of money for the shoot. Yes, sometimes if you don't have the money for a photo shoot, you can just use your ring light and create the magic. What are we talking about here? You can also use it to generate color effects. Yes, because trust me, ring lights can be easily used to generate color effects by simply switching the regular white bulbs with different colored lights. Guys, do you know that for video production, when you're using ring lights as the only source of lighting for a photo shoot or commercial, that ring light produces an attractive halo shadow that brilliantly outlines the subject of the photograph or the video. And it also provides a dramatic and professional look for filming. And for a professional looking video, you can use these ring lights. I'm telling you. Since the growing audience of social media, creating video content has never been so easy with the development of high resolution quality camera photos, quality camera phones, and even more professional, more popular is the use of this ring light. Yes, the Neewer 20-inch ring light is being used for professional lighting in YouTube videos or Instagram or Facebook stories or going live. You're going live, I'm telling you. These ring lights is all that you need to. Also makeup application. Yes, since 19 that people have been doing makeup. You can amplify it to this your makeup. Change the game with these ring lights. I'm telling you, because since most ring lights can produce a daylight color rating of about 54,000 K, trust me, this source of light is perfect for makeup application, especially on an overcast day or when when your natural light is not available. You can always can you see the size? It is pretty big. Can you see? It's big enough for my head to even enter. Just kidding. Yeah, now this product, trust me, it comes with a warranty. And see, if you're using are you using a camera, tablet, smartphone, you need these ring lights. Yes. Or if you need to cast it towards the floor, maybe if you're cooking, you have a cooking channel, YouTube channel, or podcast, or maybe like a TikTok cooking channel, whatever it is, you can always tilt it, towards the floor, or tilt it to face the floor and set it to the length that you want it to be. And one other thing I want you to know is that power will be lower, about 10 watts when using the battery, and it can work for about 48 minutes when the batteries are fully charged, not more than that. Yes, because I remember there was a time I used it without plugging, and then it was like, wow, I could actually shoot this video without carrying the adapter, the charger everywhere, but it lasted for about roughly about 48 minutes. So yeah, this ring light is the real deal. Imagine if you want to shoot at night, maybe outside, outside your building where there's no adapter or anything like that. You can just use the batteries and take it outside. I've shot my videos in the dark before, in the night before. I'll even show you. It was so dark. I can even put a clip of it. It was just so that. Imagine if I had this ring light then. I didn't need to plug it anywhere. I can just sit outside, enjoy the fresh air while it's dark, put on the ring light, and I'm shooting my video. You understand? So this is really going to save you a lot of hassles, and that will never repeat itself again. So guys, this upgraded ring light is designed with a 20-inch diameter and 352 pieces energy-saving SMD LED beads to provide more filling light, and it supports 2 power options like I said earlier. And here comes it's designed with a 20-inch diameter and 352 pieces energy-saving SMD LED beads to provide more filling light. It has 44-watt dimmable LED ring lights. I'm telling you, there's a lot I need to unbox here. It doesn't just come, like that. The ring light doesn't just come with the stand. And no, it comes with a lot of package. I'm telling you, like, it comes with a lot of stuff. Then we have 2 color temperature, 3200K and 5600K. You can also adjust the brightness, yes, from 1 to 100%. I'm telling you, you can dim it as you wish, and then it also has compatible battery. Like I said earlier, the voltage DC is 12 to 15 volts. Then it also has input voltage 100 to 120 volts, which is 50 to 60 hertz. It also has light stands. Now, see, don't mind me, I was being and I put this thing on the table. Okay, at the end of the day, I don't want to put the cat out of the bag. The length of this ring light is breathtaking. I am telling you, like, okay, let's find out if it's taller than me or if I am taller than the ring light. So it has a 3-leg stage design. That's the tripod, and its solid locking system makes sure that all your stuffs are in safe. They are in safe when you are using it. It's also easy to fold in and set up. Yes. The maximum load capacity of this ring light is 17.5 pounds or 8 kilograms. Is heavy, or not like is heavy. Yes, and it comes with a user manual as well. It also has adjustable height. You can actually adjust it 36 to 79 inches. I'm not joking. I know what 60 inches, almost 79 inches is high. Yeah, it's high. I'm telling you. It also has a phone. It came with a phone holder as well. Like I said earlier, the opening width is about 1.9 to 3.9 inches. That's about 5 to 10 centimeters, and it fits for the majority of smartphone models in the market, like the iPhone 12, iPhone 11 Pro Max, X, XR, Samsung, Huawei, and the likes. Now the package. It contains 144 watts dimmable LED ring lights, 2 Lion batteries, one USB battery charger. It comes with 1 power adapter with US and EU plug. It comes with a light stand. It comes with ball head adapter. It comes with 1 wireless remote. Yes, as you can see, I'm still joking here. I'm gonna put it on the floor. And you get to see the length of this machine. Should I call it a machine? If you agree, leave a comment. If you agree that we should call it a machine. So it comes with 1 ball head adapter, a wireless remote. It comes with a phone holder and a carrying case for the ring lights. Yes, you can see. You saw the backpack that I held the other time. And like I said, as you saw just now, it comes with an instruction manual as well. Honestly, I am super impressed with the quality of this product. I'm very impressed with the quality of these ring lights, of this Neewer 20-inch LED ring lights, and everything else that it comes with. It's actually well constructed and doesn't come off as cheap. Are you kidding me? The amount of things that you can do with these ring lights is amazing, and it gives you a broad of options to explore, and the carrying bag is pretty cool. Yeah, I think I love it. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. Joe. By the way, I sell that hair. Yes, I make it. You can find it on my website. Yes, I need to plug in chassis-everything.com. So go over to my website, www.chassis-everything.com, and order the hair. I also made my dress too. Can you see what I was talking about just now? Guys, this ring light is far taller than me. You can see. I'm not wearing heels, by the way. It is far taller than me, so I still need to, push it down. Yeah, I made my dress. Yeah, you're welcome. And if you like the wig, please order on my website too, for your sister, for your wife, your friends, your enemies, and your village members. Yeah, so see my son photobombing me. Ngwano, we're done, sir. If there's something I like about this ring light, it's easy to assemble. It has facial recognition. It's bright, and the brightness is gangster. I love it. I'm really pleased with it, and it gives value for money. I think it's worth the price. And yeah, of course, it has a remote control. You don't have to stress yourself, so trust me, Neewer upgraded 20-inch LED ring light kit is perfect for your portrait photography, video shooting, makeup, selfie, live streaming, hair salon. Are you a makeup artist? You need one in your life, I beg. And I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that the 20-inch LED Neewer ring light is dope for you. As you can see the height. See. Can you see what I'm saying? It is taller, I'm telling you. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.